How to create a PayPal account in the UK. So this is a simple process. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you set it up. So you can do this in the app, but for this example, we'll be doing it in the website. It's quite similar, so just follow the steps. So you're gonna have to open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. So in your desired browser, just go ahead and search directly for PayPal, and the first link that should appear should be their official PayPal platform. So just go ahead and press that, and you'll be led to a screen that allows you to sign up and log in. So just go to the top right screen and you should be able to find the sign up option. So just click on that. Here you'll be given the option to either use it as a personal account or a business account. So for this example, we'll be choosing the personal option. You're gonna have to provide an email. So once you've entered your details, including the email, you're gonna be requested a password, name, date of birth, and address. After that will be a payment method that you'll have to link. So either a credit or debit card option or a bank account. The next step is to agree to PayPal's terms. So just go ahead and read through the user agreement and privacy policy. So tick the box to agree to their terms. Then you can go ahead and confirm your email address and add extra verification. And finally, once you finish those steps properly, you should be able to finally start using PayPal. You can start sending or receiving payments, shopping online, or using PayPal for business purposes. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.